Today I'm going to try these Doritos Collisions, Intense Pickle and Cool Ranch chips. They're available right now for a limited time only. I'm not going to go through all the nutritional info or the ingredients. You can see it here for yourself. But this is a lot of ingredients. And as far as the nutritional value goes, they're not very good for you. Let's open them up. Have a closer look inside the bag. Bring this chip in for a closer look. As you can see, it's packed full of flavor. Let's try it out. These aren't bad at all. So when you bite into this, the first thing you get is a Cool Ranch. It takes a few seconds for the pickle flavor to hit you. Alright, so let's rate it. You know, I'm not a big pickle fan, whether it be with chips or just pickles in general. And Cool Ranch chips aren't my first choice. But the mixture of these two flavors together somehow works. I really like the taste of these. I'm going to give them a 4 out of 5. Smell? They smell really flavorful, almost sweet even. Smells like something that I would want to eat. So the smell isn't that bad. I'll give the smell a 3.5 out of 5. Texture? These have that great Doritos texture that you're used to with every other Doritos chip. So that's a 4 out of 5. They feel good in your mouth. Spiciness? These aren't spicy at all. They're not supposed to be spicy, so it's a 0 out of 5. Not a bad thing here. Uniqueness? Oh yeah, these are unique. Never had a chip like this before. That pickle and Cool Ranch flavor works really well. 5 out of 5. Crunch? Just like every other Dorito, it has that Doritos crunch. Really good and crispy. 4 out of 5. The final rating? I gotta give these a 4.5 out of 5. I would buy them again if I saw them on the shelf, especially considering they're a limited time. I'll probably pick them up before they're gone forever. Anyways, thanks for watching.